Hey, my name's JV Cheatham, and I'm the general manager of Minco. Minco is my family business that my dad started over 45 years ago. It's a wonderful story. It's been a wonderful business for our family and for all of our employees over the years. However, being that old, we also needed some change. We needed some cultural change. We needed the transition to lean, to stay competitive in a very difficult environment, that especially coming out of the COVID years. And I read the book 2 Second Lean by Paul Akers, and Paul Akers led me to Alex Ramirez. Alex Ramirez was running a large threading machine shop for a large oil and gas company, and he invited me in and showed me what a mature 2 Second Lean business looked and operated like, and how it treated its employees and how it managed every part of the business. He showed me everything on how to modernize what I wanted to do, and I was able to take it from him and implement it here, and it has made the biggest change in our business's 40-plus year history. And I have to credit Alex Ramirez for showing me how things work, how he did it in his business and how I could apply it here. And once I saw it, it wasn't so hard to figure out because I got to see it. The other thing I would say about Alex is he's continued to help me. He's continued to assist me. He's always there for me. He's been a loyal friend and somebody that I will always brag about to anybody that asks me anytime. He's a guy that you can take to the bank. If you need help in your business, you need to get things caught up, or you're starting a business, you need somebody to give you the footprint to be successful, I can't think of a better person than Alex Ramirez. So I'm here for anybody who would like to talk to me further about him. You know how to find me. I will be here. My company's name is Minco. Thanks for listening. Go Alex.